Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can have round edges on your rectangle mask in CapCut PC, sorry. Select like any image video you want, and I'm just going to add it on top. I'm just going to make a frame with it. Go to mask, go and select rectangle, and I'm just going to select reverse, which basically inverts the mask to create a frame. And then I'm just going to size it, and if I scroll down, there's a round corners option, so I'm just going to adjust using that. You can't use it with other masks, however. You can also feather it out here. I'm just going to adjust it again. And yeah, that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!